Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can make digital art that you can sell in many platforms. This is for beginners, so it's really quick and easy. So first, let's introduce the platforms. We can actually sell it here in Rarible and here in OpenSea. It depends on where you want it to sell. You can sell it on both, but there are also other platforms there that support selling NFTs, and you could also use that. But for now, I'm introducing these two. So first, what we want to do to create our digital art is that we want to go to Google. So Google, we are going to search for images here, click arts. So let's say we want something simple, because this is a tutorial, so I'm just going to create something simple for you. I need to just replicate my process to create your own with much more effort. So let's go. Let's say we want a heart, and we want to say clip art because clip arts are easiest to recreate or trace of what we're gonna do later. So let's go on heart clip art, and let's see what works the most here. I think I like this the most because it's really simple and it is highlights. So I think it's really good. And let's download it. Now that we have downloaded it now, next we have to resize the image. So we're gonna go to resize image.net. And now we're here. Let's upload an image. There, uploads the image that we have downloaded, and there you go, it shows up right here. And now the next thing we had to do is this one. We have to resize our image, so uncheck this box that says keep aspect ratio. We don't want that, and then select here and change it to 32 by 32 pixels, and just that. And now we want to make sure here that in number 6 select the output image format. Make sure to select PNG. And after that, let's proceed to number 7, which is to size image. So just click it and wait for a few seconds, and here you go. You can now download the image, view your QR code, or resize the image, but we want to download it now. So let's click on this one. Let's click. There you go, it is now downloaded. Next, we're gonna go to pixelart.net because this is where we are gonna do our art. And this is where we are gonna create our art, which is a pixel art, because in this times, pixel art NFTs are really in trend. So this would be a great starting point for you, especially when you are a beginner. Then this is a really great place to start. So let's start it. Start drawing. Looks like you have and saved. Let's just choose the drawing, and then that canvas, drawing, and now we're here. And what we're gonna do is gonna select file so that we can upload our photo that we have just resized. Select my resized photo. There. Okay, and in here, as you can see, this image is already pixelated, like it's already being good, but we can do this better. Just make a few adjustments on it so that it's slightly original. Because we just got this from Google, we want this to be original. So let's just start. Let's first start polishing the outlines. So we're going to select black, so we could polish it and just click it, just trace the outlines. As you can see there, it's being more polished. And there. It's really easy, guys. That is why this is very suitable for beginners. We'll get there. Just keep on tracing. There you go. We have now finished tracing it. And now what we want to do is trace this white part, this highlight. It's really easy. There. Let's just trace it. Trace. Okay. Now what we're gonna do now is just fill it up. Well, there you go. And if you want, you can also add a background here, but I think we're not gonna do that because if we do, the video will be too long. And just as I said, I chose this photo because it's so simple and just for the sake of teaching you guys the process of how to make a digital art in NFT. And this is a pixel art NFT, and it's really in the trend right now. It's really easy to make, and we can make a lot of it. You can sell a lot, so it's really perfect for beginners out there who are looking into joining the NFT selling community. So let's say that we don't want any more adjustments to this. We are satisfied with this one. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna save it. Let's click here on File and then Export and Download. We're gonna download it as a PNG. And then you can also size it here if you want, but we don't want that. So let's just download that PNG. And let's open the file to check it. And there you go. It's really small, but don't worry. It's just the right size for the NFT. And now you can sell it here. You just simply need to log in and you will see an option to sell. It's really simple. So that's it, guys. I hope this video helped you in creating your own digital art for NFT selling.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.